Very reasonable. So your next option is you would register an LLC or a corporation. And in that instance, it's not really registering, it's filing your articles of either incorporation for a corporation or articles of organization for an LLC. And that gives you some liability protection. So it protects your personal assets. Now, you file those articles with the Secretary of State. And for instance, with the Secretary of State, to file the LLC articles of organization, it is $70 plus $5 for certification. So for a total of $75. Very reasonable. You can go on the Secretary of State website and do it yourself. It's really simple. You want to do a business name search at the Secretary of State website before you file, because if it comes back rejected, you have to pay the fee again. So you want to make sure that you're not trying to take somebody else's name, and it's available on the Secretary of State website. So you file your articles of organization if it's an LLC, or your articles of incorporation if it's a corporation, with the Secretary of State. And that can take anywhere between 3 days to 3 weeks, depending on how it's done, who's doing it, and whether it's done online, and just the busyness of the Secretary of State or California, the busyness of the Secretary of State regarding whether you do it online or whether you do it via mail, that type of thing. Once you get your articles back from the Secretary of State, then you can begin business and getting your business license and your other various required documents finished.